Welcome back, guys, to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be resetting a light on a 2022 RX350. So let's get right into it. So first, you want to click on this main screen and you're going to have this screen. You're going to scroll through the screen with your select button and you're going to want to go all the way to the settings, right? You're going to scroll down and you're going to go to vehicle settings. You're going to click enter. And then you're going to go down to schedule maintenance and you're going to reset both of these when you're doing an oil change. You're going to reset this one, click back, and then you reset the oil maintenance. And that's how you reset it on the front over here. Now if you have the nav package, you also have to reset your light in here too. So you want to go to setup, go to vehicle, go to maintenance, and then you want to reset all of these. You can click enter on this, okay, and it resets it for you. And just do it for all of these. Reset it, just go on all of them, and reset it. And then there's one more screen you gotta reset. So clicking back on the menu right here, you go on info, and then you go on vehicle history, and then you have all this, so you just click this, delete history, and enter. And that's how you reset all the lights on your 2022 RX350.